Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to turn off automatic video autoplay on Instagram. First, launch the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open your Settings and Activity control panel. Scroll down through the options list until you locate the section block labeled Your App and Media. Tap directly on the configuration row option explicitly labeled Media Quality. Inside, locate the primary header section toggle explicitly labeled Use Less Cellular Data. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Use Less Cellular Data to turn it completely on. Enabling this data saver framework tells the application rules to restrict heavy video preloading and significantly reduces autoplay capabilities. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.